Welcome to the Saber Healthcare Group IT tutorial for using CutePDF Professional. In this video, we will quickly cover some of the basic functions that are most likely to be useful to you on a day-to-day basis: merging multiple documents, rearranging and removing pages, as well as password protection and file encryption. We will also see where to find additional information within the application itself. To begin, you must first be signed into your Citrix account. Select the Start button in the bottom left corner and find CutePDF Professional in the menu. When opened, we see an option at the top to merge PDFs. Since we often have files that originate from multiple sources or that were broken into chunks to meet scanner file size limitations, we may need to bring them all together as a single document for final processing. We select the Merge option and it opens our File Explorer so that we can grab our PDFs. If our required files are in the same folder, we can simply select them all using the Shift key and click Open. If we need to select files from multiple folders, we will open the first set and then choose the Add Files option to include the additional documents. We can rearrange our files here if needed by selecting and choosing to move up or move down. Once we have them in the desired order, we can select OK and will be prompted to save our new combined document under a new name. Please note that this leaves the original files intact and unchanged. Once we have merged our PDFs, we may need to rearrange or even remove some of the pages. To do so, we select the Tools option in the top left corner, locate the Advanced Tools in the drop-down menu, and then select the Move Pages tool. From here, we can easily rearrange our pages as needed or remove any that are not needed. When finished, we select OK to return to the newly arranged document. Now that we have everything organized appropriately, our file is ready to be saved again and sent out or uploaded as required. Occasionally, we may need to ensure that our information stays secure by password protecting the document. To do so, we simply select the Security option in the top center of the page. In the field that asks for the target file, we select the three dots to open our File Explorer so that we may select our file. We can then select Save, and if we want the same name applied, we allow it to overwrite the original unsecured PDF. We can now check the box next to Password Required to Open Document and enter our desired password. For security reasons, and especially if we are sending our PDF outside of the company, make sure that the encryption level is set to the highest 128-bit AES. We can now save our information again and will be prompted to enter the new password to do so. Your file is now ready to be securely shared, and we can verify this by attempting to open the document again. If it prompts for the password, we have successfully completed this process. For additional information and guides, we can use the How To button in the top right corner. From here, there are step-by-step instructions on how to complete various tasks and make full use of the functions that CutePDF Professional offers. As always, if you have any questions or need additional assistance, you can contact the Saber IT Support Help Desk by emailing help@saberhealth.com, or you can submit a ticket online at help.saberhealth.com and select Contact Us. Please put CutePDF in the subject line and always remember to include a phone number for fastest response. Do not hesitate to reach out. We are here to help you.